Sorry, man, I couldn't talk to you a while ago, man. What's up?
No. First of all, I wanted to tell you that your car looks like when you go inside the store and you get the little Tonka car.
Yeah.
This shit is sexy, bro.
Yeah.
But
Say
right, you want one?
no, man. I was talking on the phone and you was asking. I said I didn't have time.
No, that was all the compliment I wanted to give you about the vehicle. You feel me? I really like it. You know,
Yeah, a lot of people give me a thumbs up, man. I just.
What do you do for a living?
Truck driver, man.
You truck drive?
Yeah.
Yeah? For how long so far?
Shit, man, 25 years.
See, that's how you get that money.